Hi, I am Jo from Textile Craft and I will be doing some more beading. Since the last one I went and cut up a whole bunch of straws, of the really thick hard straws in 3 different sizes. Found a nice little organizer for my beads in. So there's these ones that I did on the first one, and then this one was last week. So I will probably do some more of these ones. I do like how the recycled Sari silk yarns look on them, so I'm going to do some more. And then these ones here, I will be doing wrapped fabric, so they will be a more chunkier, wider bead. And this one is in between this size and that size, so slightly bigger. I thought I want to give 3 different options on the sizes of the wrapped yarn beads when I start selling them. So to start, I did like how I did the last lot. It was quite easy and quick. Came off straight away on the last lot. There we go. And then I get some more and I wrap around the outsides. Very sticky. That's why this works so easy, because they're very sticky. And then I put the yarn down the middle towards a cleaner finish, and I wrap it. Tightly. The problem with Sari silk yarn is it comes apart easy. So after I'm finished making them all, I will be setting them either in acrylic or resin, so they're harder and they don't fall apart. But these are so much fun to make, so I will be making a heap of them, and then once they're all complete, I will start selling them in my shop. I have had a few requests so far for them, so will be interesting. And they're quite simple to make, and they won't be a lot of money, but depending on the finish will depend on how much I sell them for. So I hope you enjoyed this. I might do one more And voila. Alright, I've got to go. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. And hit the all notification bell when you would like to see all of my videos once I've uploaded them first. Bye for now. Bye bye.